Hey, what's going on? My name is Brian Bauer, and today we are checking out the Boss Katana Mini practice amplifier. It runs off batteries or an AC adapter. Great when you can't take your big amplifier somewhere. I was away for a few weeks and thought, well, I think this will be a good little amplifier to have. Life is a whole lot better with distortion. You know, you could play your guitar unplugged, but that just isn't inspiring, and this little amp comes to the rescue. Today, I decided to record this amp with my SM7B. I had to change the EQ to get the presence up because this isn't a mic that I normally record with. In fact, I usually record direct, but I did want to show what this amp can do to the best of my recording abilities. If you are watching this, please comment below with your favorite practice amp or whatever plugins that you were using at the moment to record or play with. All right, without further ado, let's get to the sounds. clean channel, I would give, you know, maybe like a 6, 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. You can get some awesome little sounds out of it. I'd like to have a chorus effect in this, but this does come with a delay, and I think that is really nice. Something to saturate the sound a little bit, which really does help make it be a little bit more inspiring to play, and that's what an amp like this is all about. It has a regular volume, a gain knob, regular all global EQ, and your delay over here and your power switch. You can put your batteries here in the back of it or use an AC adapter. I use the AC adapter all the time. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, so technology's come a long way. This little amp is bare bones, but it sounds really good. Now, its competitor would be the Positive Grid Spark. You see those a lot. That's a little more complex. It has an app and all that stuff, and you get a lot of different tones of it. So that's really cool. However, not all of us want apps on our phone. We just want to plug in, we want to play. I think this, hands down, wins when it comes to that. Simplicity is everything. But for what this little thing packs, I think is really, really good. Got a handle to carry it. If you want to, it easily would fit in a suitcase or something. Careful not to break the knobs off. It's a little plasticky. The little speaker is okay in it, but it's a little modeling speaker, just something like that. I think it's really good. I honestly really do enjoy playing this amp. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think this amp is awesome. I think you guys will also think it's awesome. For the price point, it's simple, it sounds great. I'm pretty happy with this little amplifier. Anyways, if you guys can click the subscribe button, like button, and notification bell, that would be really, really cool. You know why? Because that helps me in the algorithm. You guys have an awesome day, and just remember, life is better with distortion. All right, see yas.